The two pointers technique is a game changer for array and string problems. Today I will show you how to use it to solve problems efficiently in Python. I will explain the concept, show example in Python, and compare it with a native approach. So let's go to the VS Code. At first we need a list or array. Array is equal to a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am using sorted array. Or if the array is not sorted, we have to sort it first. It's a two-pointer technique, so we need two pointer, such as this is our first pointer and this is our last pointer, and we have to adjust it for finding our target. This is the first pointer and this is the last pointer, and we have to adjust this for finding our target. Okay, now our target is equal to 9, and the left pointer is at index 0, so left is equal to 0 and right is equal to the length of array minus 1, means last index. Now I am using while loop. While left is less than right, then current sum equal array of left element plus array of right element, and if current sum is equal target, then we need to print. I am using ape string method, so we are found at our first index array left and array right, and break. If current sum is less than target, then left plus equal on or right shift is right minus equal or left shift. Start left at index 0 and right at the last index. Check sum if it equals to target and solution found. If summation is less than the target, then we have to move the left pointer right or right shift. On the other hand, if the sum is greater than the target, then we have to move the right pointer left. Then we have to move the right pointer left or left shift the right pointer. I can use for loop, but it increases the time complexity. But this while loop avoids seeking all pairs and reduces the complexity from big O of n square to big O of n. Now we can run this code. So our pair found 2 and 7. So 2, the left pointer is 2 and the right pointer will be 7, and 2 plus 7 is equal to the target 9. So guys, today we learned the two pointers technique, which is extremely used for array and string problems. Next video we will combine this with prefix sum to solve even more complex problems efficiently. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications for daily DSA shorts and long tutorials. Thank you everyone.